Welcome to Rich Scale Modelling. This is an introduction for my next building project, which is going to be the Battle of Kursk. You know, the Battle of Kursk was a massive tank battle in World War II against the Russians and the Germans on the Russian front line. The diorama itself will consist of, and I will just bring up a map, will consist of two Tigers, a Panzer, a T-34 and an IS-2, I think that's a medium tank, a Russian medium tank or heavy tank, sorry. These yellow star things, these are shell holes, some troops. These funny looking things here are just guns, and this here is like a command hut barn, whatever. I may not put it in. This is just an illustration how it may look. It's just so that I've got something to look at while I'm building the diorama. Nothing's set in stone yet. The basic diorama for should be no more than in length 1 meter by maybe a half a meter or 3/4, 75 centimeters, something like that. So it's not going to be a huge diorama, but it is going to be a busy diorama. It has a battlefield that is going to comprise of many elements to it, like the blue crosses that you see on the map for the anti-tank devices. There's going to be, I would imagine, things that have been destroyed from shell fire and so forth. This is what I've got in my head. Whether it actually turns out that way, I'm not sure. All depends on my ability and what I've got at hand, but more on my ability. I was asked to do this diorama a little while ago. There was a suggestion made on one of my videos. This gentleman would like to see my take on it. So I'll give it a go and see what happens. Can't promise it'll be any good, but I'll see. Now the kits that I'm using in the diorama, if I just pan down my camera a little bit, this is the main kit that I'm going to be using by Z. I can never pronounce that name. I do apologise if I got it wrong. This is a series of kits all in one box set, but you can buy these kits individually. In fact, I've got some extra troops here, and that's just to show you really that you can get these kits individually. Now they are still available. They're not difficult to find, but I'm also going to be building the FX Tiger one as well, because I want 2 Tigers in it. So I found it difficult to actually source the Tiger 172 for the Z kit, so I've gone for the FX kit. It's practically very, very simple, so it's not going to make much difference. It will look the same. So that is the basic diorama that I'm going to be doing. Each kit will be built individually with updates along the way on each kit. Saying that, if you subscribe to the channel, you will be alerted of these updates as I go along and build them. Hit that like button as well, and of course leave a comment, especially on this one. So I hope you enjoyed this little intro. I will go off and do a little bit more planning on this, start building the Tiger 1 Airfix kit first. So thank you all very much for watching. Bye bye.